Hey everyone, so you're not going to believe what I did today. I slept through the market open. I missed my alarm at 8:30. I missed my second alarm in case I sleep through that alarm at 9 o'clock. Slept through everything. I wake up at 9:47. I check my phone. Where's my phone? It was, I check it. Oh, it's, it's recording this right now. Okay, that's where my phone is. So I check it. I run in here, I run in the office, I turn on my platform, and I go, oh crap, did I just miss everything? Luckily, I did not miss everything. I just missed the first stock that surged kind of 5 or 10 minutes, or 5 minutes into the day. It went from $4.80 or $3.80 to $4.50, 60 cents. I probably would have been a part of that. But I missed it, and I caught the next one, which was FLKS, and I rode the momentum up with 2,000 shares. It was only $1.40 or so, the stock at the time. So 2,000 shares is perfectly acceptable. I rode that up to about $1.50, and then I got in for a pullback, and I sold into the push, and I made like $520 today in 10 or 15 minutes. So another amazing day. So thankful that I can do something like this, but you know, that's a video for another time. Let's go over the trades right now and I'll show you what happened. Oh god, so I don't know, I find it kind of funny that happened and then I ended up making money. Just a weird turn of events. I don't know, I honestly just slept in. You can see on the video, I just slept in, opened the platform, pressed a couple buttons, and made some money. So that was good. I'm glad that FLKS was available right when I pulled up the platform. There was no real pullback here. I just kind of jumped in, and then I told myself, I'm not going to let this go even a couple cents against me, which would be $20, $40, $60, $80, because I took 2,000 shares. So luckily, it immediately worked out in my favor. And then I had to plan to sell the whole thing close to 150. And that's exactly what happened. And then I got in for a pullback. And the first actual pullback, I tried to buy the dip-ish. And then buy, as it's coming back up, around 150. And then I was selling up towards high of day. It was beautiful. It was honestly beautiful. And then, yeah, so I'm going to do some commentary over the actual video, because I don't think that I actually said anything. I might have at the start. So anyways, let's just check it out. We can see if I actually did say something here. Alright, woke up a little late. See what we can do here. So I saw a big seller there, a big buyer at 138, which is why I bought in there at 139. And luckily for me, like I said, I got immediate resolution. I didn't have to guess if that was a good or bad idea. I knew that I'm already in the money, so at this point I'm just waiting to get out. I think I tried to get out there, but then I realized, no, let's just follow this through. My original plan was to sell it over or close to 150. So I'm waiting. I sell the first block.
Order filled.
At 146.
Order cancelled.
Now I'm waiting for the push up towards 150. It's getting kind of heavy here. It's going down and then back up, getting sold off, getting bought up. So my next 500 shares, I get out at 148.
Order partially filled.
And then here I'm just selling above 150. I got a couple fills.
Order filled.
153, 155. So a great trade. I'm not gonna lie, it was a great trade. And then I tried to take it again right here.
Order filled.
At 160 for the continuation into a halt or something.
Order partially filled.
And that one didn't work out, so I immediately sold out.
Order partially filled.
For a 3-cent loser or $30 on 1,000 shares. So I wait for a proper pullback.
Order partially filled.
I tried to get filled like
Order filled.
1,600 shares at 150 or something. And then as it's coming back up, I added
Order partially
1,000 shares here.
Order
Or
filled.
no, I'm up to 1,400 shares now with an average of
Order partially
152. Now I'm at 2,400
Order filled.
shares with an average of 153. So I'm really, really close, and my stop is 150. So if it breaks under 150,
Order
I'm out.
filled.
Like, that is my plan. And I want to sell into the first 1 minute candle to make a new high above 160. So we can see here, it never really goes too close to my stop, and I'm always in the money here. So I'm waiting for this push over 160.
Order
Get
filled.
my fills out at 165.
Order partially
It immediately jumps to 170. Blah, blah, blah. I get my last exit towards break even. I didn't know what it was going to do, so it came back down and I sold
Order
it
filled.
back at 151. So that was, again, I can't complain about that. I took one more trade. Sorry, I'm just trying to find it here quickly. Where is it? Here it is. The trade, it's kind of a 5-minute setup here on DEST.
Order partially filled.
I'm in. I'm trying to give it some
Order
resolution here. Sorry for that giant sniffle. We all know how that goes with me. So it's pushing up towards 450 on high volume. So I say, okay, if it pushes through, which it wasn't, then I'll get out. So since it wasn't pushing through 450, I just put my shares up on the ask.
Order partially filled.
I get filled, I'm all
Order
out,
filled.
and almost instantly a huge seller pops up. Alright, so okay, that was me talking. So that was just really good timing, and that's all. I can't ask for anything else. I'm up $521 on the day, doing so well this month, and I'm honestly I'm doing it by following my rules. Like, you could say, oh, but you just jumped into FLKS. I mean, I was riding the momentum. I didn't wait for a pullback, but I had a plan and I had a risk to reward. So, like proper risk management. I was trying to sell up towards 150 with a stop of about 3 cents. So 10 cents to 3 cents or so. That's over a 2-to-1 ratio. Over 3-to-1 actually. That specific example. So I can't complain. Maybe tomorrow I'll actually be up for the open and can do a little bit better, but hopefully that was helpful, and thank you guys for watching.